Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Plunger and today I will be showing you how to create a simple and easy piston door in Minecraft. To start off, we're going to want to put two sticky pistons on top of each other and then leave a 4-block gap in between and place two more sticky pistons. It should look like this. Next, you're going to want to put blocks all the way along the top from these pistons to these pistons. Then put redstone along the top, except for one, either the middle here or here, and then the two over there. Put redstone torch in the middle. It should look something like this. It doesn't matter if it's in like here, like on the left or right. Either way works. Then put a lever, and if you flick it, either up or down, it'll open or close it. But if you would like to go through two ways, instead put a button. I recommend using a wood button because they give a longer pulse and will open your door for longer. If you have trouble, please tell me in the comments below and I'll do whatever I can to help you. If you're playing on the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, this may not work, but I'm not sure because I don't primarily play on that version. Thank you for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!